What's up guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a slightly different video. You guys usually see a lot of thrifting videos on my channel and styling videos. This time we're going to deal with my thrifted wardrobe. I have acquired quite a bit of gems. Go through them, organize what I'm selling, what I'm keeping, what I'm donating. We have a lot to go through today, but I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. This is the closet. I'm gonna start off with this portion of the closet, which is kind of the main portion. I do take up most of the closet, so much love to my boyfriend. I essentially have blazers up top, and then I have no sleeve tops, short sleeve tops, long sleeve tops, and a couple light jackets at the very end. I have a classic vintage Balenciaga silk tank top. Love this one. It's quite a sheer top, but it's really great for like layering or wearing on its own. It also has low armholes, which I usually don't like, but this is really great for like some side boob. We love her, she's staying. This piece I thrifted in Europe, I believe is actually in Poland. It's just like the most iconic Y2K tank top. It's like this nude beige color with literal glitter throughout. I think for summer it's great. Super light and breezy. It is kind of sheer, so like kind of like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is a top by Marni, kind of like that nylon like tech fabric, and I feel like it just would be really cool if it actually fit. Yeah, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I feel like it's quite wide. It's kind of like a bubble top, like the sides, the stitching kind of stands out. I tend to like oversized pieces, but this is like not quite it. So Etsy shop, if anyone is interested. She's great, but just not for me. I have this piece which I want to share because it's kind of a proud thrifted piece for me. I've worn it a decent amount for like social events and things, going out. I think it's such a beautiful top. This is freaking Prada. The back is very simple. I kind of wish the sequins went all around, but this makes it a lot lighter. Love her, wear her quite a bit, and she's staying. Some pieces you might recognize from my Toronto vintage haul. I haven't worn any of these yet, but these two are more like really summery, kind of beachy pieces. This piece is going to be so good for going out. I just need to steam it, which is something I should do probably as part of this clean out. But I love these colors, nice pops of color for my wardrobe. Then I have 3 darker vests, and this is kind of my max for tuxedo vests. I feel like I don't really need more. This one I love because it has an open lace-up back, kind of like a corset detail. Love that. I wear it all the time. I thrifted this with my friend Anna. This one is a Marc Jacobs knit and wool vest. I like it because I don't have any other brown ones. This one has to be my favorite. It's Anne Demilmeester. It looks so good on its own as a top, or it totally can be worn over other pieces. She's beautiful. Take a look. Has a tie at the back, which is velvet, and then the front is very like silk and satin. So stunning. I've worn it a ton. You'll definitely see it on my Instagram. And I have some tops I wear for work as well. Love this one. Kind of pleating is really great for texture. I have this Moschino. I love the exaggerated collar and sleeve ends. This one I don't really wear very much, so I might get rid of it. I do like the texture on the front, but I really don't wear this piece very often because I prefer these two. I have this beautiful Versace satin dress, which I love. The pocket, or the zipper, actually opens. It's just like an extra little cool detail. It doesn't really do much for me, but I do like it. So that's staying. I have this really cute dress that I thrifted, and it actually came with a bolero. I love the ruffle detail at the top and the kind of fitted corset look, the structure. I love the bolero because it has this really cool crystal detail. It reminds me of something Sonia Rykiel would have. It's by an Italian brand. I'm not really familiar with it, but I do really like these. Yeah, these two as a set are super cute. This is like a winter dress, super pretty. It's knit and it's wool, and it has a slip underneath, so it's going into my winter wardrobe. Jean jackets. Let's talk about jean jackets. I have 4, I believe. I do like this one because it's cropped. I don't like the studs at the back, but I could maybe remove them, so I think I'm gonna keep this one for now. I have this one, which I bought because I like the style of the collar, but I don't think I need this one. It's by Big 7, like super early 2000s kind of piece. And this one is by Bongo. I love it because it has a built-in hood, which is kind of unexpected for a jean jacket. And the 4th one I have, oh, I have one more. Okay, I have 5. This one, which I thrifted recently, and my last one is a Jean Paul Gaultier one, which I'm definitely not getting rid of. So let me know which of these 2 I should get rid of. So let's move on to the top here. I have this dress, which also needs to be altered, also from the vintage show. We love her, so pretty. Need to get that altered. I have this piece that I bought at the vintage show this year, and I haven't really figured out how to wear it. I actually kind of feel like maybe today's outfit works just because it's so simple. I'm gonna keep it around longer because I obviously just got it, but yeah, I'm not really sure about styling this piece. This piece I bought on Depop, I believe last year, and I remember being so in love with it when I found it because I liked the kind of sheer fabric, and there's like random stitching running throughout, but I haven't worn this a single time. It's just like way too much going on for me. Like I've said before, I like more simple pieces. I think we are going to part with it. If anyone is interested, let a girl know. I just know that she's gonna mess up my tripod. I have this Prada coat, which I really like. It's very light. It's actually perfect for spring and summer. Yeah, just like, I love the long sleeves on this. This is so good. And it has 2 zippers, which we love. Do a little like unzipped moment. So I do really like that. Love this blazer, love this blazer. I want to show you guys my prized possession. This is an Alexander McQueen bolero. I love it so much. It's silk and satin. The sleeves are cropped, but this, mind you, I think is a flattering sleeve crop. I feel like it makes me look so tall, even though I'm already tall, like just because it kind of accentuates my arms and like, I don't know, the torso because it's cropped. And I think it's so beautiful. So that's it for the top. So we cleared out some space there. Hopefully you can see that. And we cleared out some space here. I think we're gonna start moving on to this side of the closet. Okay, these are like some slightly warmer jackets. Then I have purses. I have like some shoe boxes with stuff up there, and sweaters, t-shirts, tank tops, skirts, pants, shoes at the bottom, and then this is stuff from my Etsy shop. I think I'm fine with jackets, to be honest, because honestly most of these are Casper's because I have mine in the middle portion. I have one vest. This can maybe go into winter storage actually. I really like this wool kind of bomber that I thrifted. I was planning on selling it originally, and then I kind of fell in love with it. I have my silver trench coat. I have this navy trench coat. I have a Jill Sander trench coat. Another green one. Sweaters, I definitely have some that can go into storage, so I'm going to just quickly get rid of those. Definitely knit pieces like this that are open are really great for spring and summer, going into fall as well, where it's still kind of warm, but if you wanted to like layer in the evening, or honestly this over a bikini I think would be really cute. I'm just gonna organize my sweater vests over here, and then I'm gonna organize t-shirts and tank tops here, and I'll see how the skirts and pants go. I do have a lot of skirts. What I had realized now is that I didn't have space for shorts because in the winter I put all my shorts away and I didn't leave room for where I would restock them. And now here I'm going to leave for my shorts. I did go through this first drawer while my battery was charging, so I'm gonna deal with the second drawer now. These are my Cope Capine tuxedo shorts, which I love. Dolce & Gabbana sheer lace skirt. Definitely a summer piece. Haven't worn it yet, but that'll be fun. This is from Meow. She's super mini, love it. Keeping that. I have this skirt, which I bought from a vintage store, and I've never worn it, and frankly, I don't think I ever will wear it. I have this YSL skirt, which is definitely one of my treasured finds. It's super wrinkled right now, but it ties on the side. It is the most beautiful ballerina-esque skirt ever. Super silky. Love it. I wore it on my birthday this year. Wool pants, definitely don't need right now. My bed is just covered in clothes right now, so we are making really good progress. These jeans, I think I'm gonna get them altered because I do really like them, but they're like way too big on me. I think I talked about them in another video. I would love to wear them low-waisted. I think they'd be so cool. They are very 2000s. I think those will go in the altering pile. These came out of my summer storage. So I have white shorts, which I love. I have 2 pairs of wide leg white pants, and I very rarely wear white bottoms except for like those white shorts. These ones are Prada, so these were my original love. And then I bought these Escada white pants, which I also really like. They have like this line running through them. They are both big on me. They're both like, they fit low-waisted because they're big on me. So let me try those 2 on and you guys can tell me which one I should keep. Then I have this skirt, which I love, this skirt, which I'm definitely gonna keep wearing, and this skirt, which I love. Okay, so here are the white Escada pants. They're super duper long. Like, they're long on me, which I really like, but they are white pants, so do I really want them to be that long? I would totally have to get them tailored. They have like a cool look to them, and they're kind of nylon material, so I feel like for summer they'd be nice and cool. Okay, here are the Prada pants. They definitely fit me better, and actually better than I remembered, so I almost wish that I've been wearing these. They're also very long, which is great. They fit low-waisted, which I really like, but they actually like don't fall off, and they have pockets, which I like. Like this could be a really cool outfit, I think, and I would totally wear these. So my decision is made, actually, and I think that works for now. I'm gonna see how it goes. Maybe I'll reorganize a bit still. Then I have pants, but I feel like pants I don't really need to go through right now. We're gonna leave it off here because I really want to do a purse, like vintage purse collection video for you guys. I've acquired some really cool pieces. Shoes, I just need some time to go through. I've thrifted quite a bit of pairs recently and I need to wash them before I get a chance to style them and figure out if I want to keep them or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other type of video you'd like to see, and I will see you guys next time.